Have you ever gotten so frustrated with a software tool you're using?
Oh, yeah.
Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today.
Okay, cool.
We're going to explore the work of Farhana,
Okay.
a senior software engineer who tackled this exact problem head-on, called the PXSelector Attribute, in a system called Acumatica.
Oh, right.
Let me tell you, her insights are fascinating.
What's interesting is that Farhana was dealing with some pretty common complaints.
Okay.
Users were getting irrelevant search results.
Uh-huh.
The drop-down was slow to load.
Oh, wow.
And sometimes they just couldn't find the option they needed.
Oh, I've been there.
It was a real productivity killer.
So it's not working the way it should.
No, not at all. The database indexes, which act like a filing system for the data, weren't optimized.
Right.
This meant the system was having to search through a ton of information. Well, Farhana also discovered issues with caching. Caching is like storing frequently used data in a readily accessible spot.
Right.
But if it's not implemented correctly, it's like having to go all the way back to the library's archives every time you need that same book.
Oh, so the system wasn't remembering the commonly accessed information.
Not at all.
Making the whole process even slower.
Precisely. And all of these factors combined created a perfect storm of drop-down dysfunction.
That's great.
Yeah, she's really talented.
And that's where her expertise really shines.
Yes.
Instead of just patching up the symptoms,
Yeah.
she went straight to the root of the problem.
She started by optimizing the where clauses
Yeah.
to make sure they were filtering the data correctly.
Uh-huh.
She did, and in the process, she highlighted the importance of understanding the technical underpinnings of software design.
Right.
Sometimes those seemingly small annoyances can have a huge impact on user experience. I know, right?
Can have such a complex web of technical factors behind it.
It really is.
So she was really taking a user-centric approach
Exactly.
to solving this technical challenge.
Exactly. She recognized that user feedback was invaluable in pinpointing the specific pain points.
Right.
People were reporting things like, it makes you realize how important it is
It really does.
for developers to really listen to the people who are using the software day in and day out.
Absolutely. And it's not just about collecting feedback.
Okay.
Farhana was able to connect the dots between the user complaints
Yeah.
and the technical issues with the where clauses, indexing, the
He
capture.
was the detective,
Yes.
piecing together the clues to solve the mystery of the broken dropdown.
That's a great analogy, while also improving the user experience.
It was about making it truly user-friendly.
Precisely. They specialize in helping businesses optimize their Acumatica systems.
And they've got a proven track record of tackling these sorts of challenges.
So if our listeners are out there
Yeah.
battling their own drop-down demons,
Is that even though we might not always see the complexities behind the software we use, there are people like Farhana and companies like Tiana Solutions who are working hard to make technology work better for us.
that's great. It's really cool how Farhana,
Yeah.
she didn't just fix the issues and call it a day.
Right.
She went the extra mile to make sure those fixes would actually work.
Yeah. Farhana mentioned using a combination of quality assurance testing and unit testing. Exactly.
But for software.
Exactly. She was making sure the drop-down menu behaved exactly as intended. Farhana's story shows how important it is to have skilled developers who understand both the technical intricacies and the human impact of their work.
Absolutely. And second, it reinforces the importance of listening to user feedback.
Absolutely.
Don't just brush off complaints as user error.
Right.
There might be a genuine technical glitch causing the frustration.
Exactly. And finally, if you're wrestling with clunky software in your own business, don't suffer in silence.
Yeah.
There are experts out there who can help.
Like Farhana.
Like Farhana Tiana Solutions, where Farhana Works specializes in streamlining Acumatica systems and making them truly user-friendly.
Someone who can decipher the code and make technology work for you, not against you.
If you're tired of battling those frustrating drop-down menus, reach out to Tiana Solutions at 678-910-2774.